Alright guys, we are here at Stanislaus National Forest. This campsite is the Lodge Pole Campground. This is the first camping trip I've done in 2 years because I had a newborn, and it's been difficult to even go out. So this is the first time actually we're going out at all. It's been 2 years, it's been so long. And this is it. This is we're here. We're camping for two to 3 days, and which is crazy because this is the trial run, and we're already doing more than an overnight. So let me show you. That's the Maddie boy. That's the Maddie boy. See him? Hey, Maddie boy. You like camping yet? No, not sure. So he's just chilling back there. Yeah, I know. I just want to kind of walk you guys through the camp and my setup because I know. So we have the 6-person Coleman tent, which is I had this for so long. I actually took this to Death Valley moto camping, which is crazy. But I like this tent. It's just so hard to set up because of how big it is, and you need to use the poles. So opening it up, we have the portable bassinet in there, the two very comfortable air mattresses, self-inflating. We have the buddy heater, a bunch of stuff for the baby. So it's mainly the main thing about this camp. I got the fan right there. Mainly the main challenge is of course camping with a baby. That's really anything. Just camping with a baby in general. So it's gonna be cold tonight. I don't know how he's gonna take it. We had the buddy heater set up with a big. I'll show you guys the setup. So we got the high chair for the baby, which is compact. Our chairs. So here's our new setup for cooking. A Coleman stove, propane stove, 20-pound propane tank, right there. I don't want to do the small Coleman tank because it runs out really fast. Okay, so here's the back. Here's the gear I'm running today. And we got the Jackery 1000 running the fridge. Other items, there you go. I got water from Scepter. You got the solar panels, 100-watt solar panels each. These were able to charge the Jackery to 100% while running the fridge on a cloudy day, which is very nice. So I like the setup. Also, we're charging our phones and stuff like that on that. Pretty great. And we'll close this. The back is nothing much. I did this cover because it's a bear country. Just trying to cover like the inside of the Jeep, trying to cover it so that the bear won't rip my Jeep apart. So we got the car seat there. Nothing much here. Camera gear, drone. Not sure if I'm gonna fly the drone. Earplugs for shooting and stuff. And yeah, that's pretty much it for camp. We're gonna be cooking soon. This is the first trial run of this whole setup with the baby. So wish me luck for tomorrow. I'll keep you guys updated. So stay tuned. All right, first thing on the menu is salmon tonight. Yeah, so we're totally glamping today with and veggies with our food. So this is the first time I'm actually doing this because before we only do mountain house meals, freeze dried meals, and you know how that is. Sausages, something easy to eat. But now that we have the big propane, which I really like because this is dual purpose, you can use it for your heater, for cooking. It's just great. So that's it. It's smelling really, really good. So can't wait to dig in. What are you eating there, Maddie? Did mommy make that for you? What is that?
Brought a K-bar. Just skewer it. Just skewer it. Everything we brought today is like oversized. Look at that figure. That's awesome.
What's cooking on this stove? Got veggies, cast iron, and some steak. All right, look at that, guys.
No.
Veggies on a salmon. There you go. Camp food.
Very yappy.
Just got done with dinner. Just breaking up the kitchen, hiding it from the bears. Pretty nice, relaxing actually. It was pretty hectic, taking care of the little baby and stuff. But we had to go back to camping. It's just been cooped up in the house for so long. If you have family, I mean, it's easy. You can just hand them off, for the day and stuff like that. But we don't, so we're on our own. So this is just how it is. I'm sure a lot of others are dealing with the same thing. But I think now that I went through the camping once, I know I can fine tune my setup. So I'm thinking this is the tent is the one that's taking up the most time. So I don't know, experiment with the Gazelle maybe, Gazelle T4, something like that. It's just the only thing I don't like about it is it packs very, very big. So I don't know if it's gonna fit in the Jeep with all our other stuff. So this one's a 6-person, but it still fits in the Jeep really, really well. It packs very small. So yeah, pros and cons. Also, it's blackout inside, so the sun doesn't pass through, so you can it doesn't disturb the baby and stuff like that when he's sleeping. Yeah, so there it is. Just we have to refine the camping setup. Cold weather. Today's cold weather, so all we're doing is bundling up. Might use the buddy heater. We'll see. We have the windows cracked open, so condensation, I'm not really worried about it. The tent is also very big, so mainly I want to point the heater towards him. That's all I really care about. So I don't really get cold. I like the cold. So yeah, just my sister's setup right here. They built this thing, so it's a whole trailer camper. Let's see. Oh, it's close right now, but you can fit bikes in there and shower. There's a shower in there. It's basically a mini toy hauler. So yeah. Anyway, there it is. See you guys maybe in a little bit if it's still some light out. If there's anything interesting that I can talk about, but if anything, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, baby. Good morning.
Had you sleep last night?
It was very cold, but the buddy heater saved us. The buddy heater. You like the buddy heater? Whoa. Whoa. Yep, it did rain on us. 40 degrees. The buddy heater did its job though. The tent could have been a better tent. It'll keep the heat inside, but it did its job. But yeah, it did rain all night. Yeah, so we have to pack up all our stuff in the rain. So, all right, guys. What a morning! First try camping. This is you got it all on your first try, baby. Cold, rain, and everything. All right, guys. Still packing up, and it's still raining. Everything is wet. My cousin's RAV4 hybrid, the Jeep. We're loading it all up now, emptying the tent. So this is the part I hate the most, is packing a wet tent, but it is what it is. Pack it, and then we'll just clean it up at home, open it up again, wipe it down, stuff like that. So that is it. That's what we have to do. All right, we're all packed up. The tent is gross, so I don't want to talk about it. And we're just eating some Costco wraps because not much to do now. Still wet, still raining, but make the best of it, I guess. Water's dripping into the sauce. All right, finish this up. We're gonna get going. All packed up, ready to go. I think we're gonna check out one more spot, see what it looks like. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be camping because our tent is drenched, so it's just not gonna be good to redeploy it. So, but we're gonna check it out, see what it looks like since we're already here, and just drive the Jeep around for a while and do some exploration. But despite the rain, it looks pretty nice out here. Not bad. It's a nice flat spot right here. We didn't go there. 9. Yeah, it's in recreation. That.
How do you know like what's where?
Yeah, you don't. You don't.
But this one is very nice too.
I think towards the entrance it's all nice, but like towards the exit it's not.
Yeah, there's too much in and out. Wala na yung labo sa mga close to
Slipping. We're slipping. Slipping in snow. There's just the trash can they're talking about. Yeah, there's no. Usually I would do this in the beginning before the trip, but I'm doing it in reverse this time. So just going over our camping gear, camping with a baby, 11 months. So here it is. We bringing, I think most of this could be downsized. This is our first run with it. Before we never had any issues with just the two of us. So now, but +1, it's I saw some flaws with it. So our mattress pads are pretty big, these two. Chairs are okay. We do have a chair for him, which is a collapsible, but it collapses pretty big as well. So that could be downsized. His backpack, hiking backpack is pretty large as well. Quilts was necessary for the very cold weather. Otherwise, don't need that. Pillow for the baby, just pillow. All sorts of extra things, which actually all this fits inside the Jeep because I don't have a roof rack, which like what that I mentioned the previous segment of the video. It would be nice to have a roof rack or the hitch cargo carrier. Maybe next time. Because I want to fit it in the garage and I don't want to park it outside, so that's just my limitation there. My camping stove, my big 20-pound propane. So this has a bag. Very convenient. I was able to use this for the heater as well. So this component here is pretty nice setup actually. It's just this one's just big, but it's very cheap and it lasts a very long time. Versus the Coleman 16-ounce bottles, they only last like, I don't know, half the day. What is this? This is his portable crib. So, and then that's his mattress for the crib. So a lot of just extra items now that you have to bring with a baby like that. I did not get to bring my camping shower and my camping water. I mean, my shower water, washing and stuff like that. I didn't get to bring that. Didn't have space. I have my tire table right here and the 2 Jackery solar panels. I think actually running the fridge half the day on the Jackery, I don't think I need the solar panels if I'm just gonna go camp for, let's say, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, because I ran it all day on the Jackery, and the Jackery only was, I think, 83%. Now I'm charging it. Now it's 85. But when I got home today, I used it for 2 days straight, connected to the Jackery, 83%. So I think, and that's me charging other devices too, like our radios, cell phones, things like that. So yeah, other than that, oh, this tent, the 6-person tent, when it rained on us and I had to break it down. It wasn't nice, so I have to clean this up. I still have to open this and clean it. It's just not ideal. I need to find a better sleeping solution for us, and that's what I'm. So minus a rooftop tent, minus a rooftop tent would have been much more convenient, because even though it's wet, you close it, you just park it under the sun, open it up, it will dry, you know, and clean the insides. If anything, it's just much more convenient. But I don't have the option right now, so I'm trying to do with ground tents. So I have to look into maybe the Gazelle or something of similar design. So yep, I think I don't know if this is useful for some of you people that are thinking about going on a camping trip with a baby and stuff like that. But this is so new to me, so I feel like maybe documenting it. So I mean, I see a lot of videos out there how this is done. It is a lot of work, but you just don't know until you try. So after we went through like a storm, like all our boots are dirty and things like that, our shoes are dirty, but that's why you have the all-weather floor mats for the Jeep. So the Jeep is fine. The Jeep, it's just a basic camping trip. It's not like it's off-roading or anything, but the Jeep is not spacious enough to keep all the stuff inside, plus the people riding inside. So that's just I have to work around that, because see, my garage opening will not allow a roof rack. So I mean, I could adjust the opening of the door, but it's not easy for this house. It's the design of the house. I can't just raise the garage. I have to edit like more parts of the house. Not ideal. I could get the RV access on the other side, on the side of the house. I could do that. That's an option. But I love the Jeep, so I want to make it work. Just sharing my thoughts with you guys on a recent camping trip. If you are like, I don't know, more than, I mean, this is an easy. I think this is just for me, because most people will just have a roof rack and get it over with. Because with a roof rack, all my problems are solved. So that's why I'm thinking about the trailer hitch cargo carrier right here. A little bit cumbersome looking, but better than nothing. Something you can remove when you're not using it. So let's just, I guess I'll invest in that. It's not that expensive to try, and if it doesn't work, just return it or something. All right, guys. Hopefully you find some of these insightful or helpful. But it's definitely an experience camping with a newborn / baby, with all the needs that they had. I didn't get to sleep very much, so as usual. I'm used to that. It's just I worry about him because it was cold that night, and you know, so, but I kind of want to get him out there as soon as possible. I think he was actually pretty good, despite his first camping trip being a cold weather, and more than a day. And it's just, it was cold, it was rainy, it was more than one day. It's just like, he wasn't like shocked or anything. It's just, I feel bad. Like, usually camping trips would be like in a campground with all the amenities, with all the hookups overnight. It's just overnight and super comfortable. You know, that's your intro to camping. But this is, he didn't mind. So, all right, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.